Is it actually possible to build wealth with debt? I'm in debt. How is it possible for me to get rich when I'm actually in debt? Well, in today's video, that is what we are going to be exploring. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Let's dive right in. Now, you need to understand using debt as a tool in wealth creation. Using debt as a financial tool involves you borrowing money with the expectation that it gives a form of positive return on investment over time. You are borrowing money in hopes that it offers a form of benefit that outweighs the cost of borrowing. So basically what I'm trying to say is that one way or the other, you guys are already using debt to build wealth or create some form of financial freedom for yourself. When you borrow money to start a business venture, you are essentially using debt to create wealth. Businesses use debt to finance their expansion, individuals use debt for home purchases and for education, governments use debt for infrastructural development and many more. Now moving forward, it's important for you to understand what good debt and bad debt means. Good debt is the kind of debt that is taken for investment purposes. It's the kind of debt that has the potential to create some form of value in the future or create some form of income in the future. It has low interest rates and it has the potential to increase your net worth or increase your assets. Bad debt does the exact opposite. It's the kind of debt that is incurred for consumer goods or liabilities. It has high interest rates and it has no guarantee of offering any form of value in the future. Now, it's very much possible to shoot yourself in the foot even with good debt. Market volatility, high interest rates, unforeseen circumstances can set you back big time. So you want to make sure you educate yourself financially. You want to make sure you have some form of emergency funds in place. You want to make sure you make research, make due research. You want to make sure that you pay off your debt as soon as you can, either by using the snowball method or the avalanche method as soon as you can. People like Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, amongst many others, are very famous for using debt to build wealth. The wealth that they build now is as a result of them leveraging debt. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, advocates using debt intelligently to build wealth.
Well, there's two kinds of debt. Now, this is basic financial education or financial literacy, they call it. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that somebody else pays off for you. So when I buy an apartment house with my friend Kenny, I don't pay for it. The bank lends us the money and debt is tax-free, right? So let's say we put $1 million down to buy a $5 million apartment house. So we now have a $5 million asset and our tenants pay for this. That's good debt. But I take out my credit card to go eat sushi, that's bad debt because I got to pay for it.
He emphasizes on investing in assets to create income or capital appreciation. In other words, using other people's money to build wealth. You can build wealth with debt in various sectors. You can build wealth with debt in real estate. In real estate, you can do it with stocks. You can do it in building your businesses and many more. Take for example real estate. In real estate, there's something called leveraging. What is leveraging? Leveraging in real estate is when you borrow money as a mortgage to increase the potential return on investment. So take for example, let's go into real estate. Take for example, you have $20,000 in savings and you want to buy a property worth $100,000. You can put that $20,000 as a down payment, then take a mortgage of $80,000. Now, if the property increases over time, if it increases in value over time, you will get the same amount of value or the same amount of profit as someone that invested the entire $100,000 upfront. The real estate market is wide and complex, and I will definitely be making more educative videos about real estate in the future. But basically, I hope you understand what I'm trying to talk about in this video. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye for now.